we go into the rain. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Holy crap. That's a lot of rain. It's a river. I'm getting soaked. I mean, look at these cars. Look at it. I told Camille, I said, don't come down the street. It's too much. Look at the water sloshing up against walls and things. Oh my God. Look at it on the sidewalk. I've never seen it. This is the second time I've never seen rain like this before. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. And this might be going on for a little while too. Oh boy, that river's going to be amazing. The Patuxent, whatever river I look at, it's going to be incredible. Oh boy.